Hey guys, welcome to another episode of SCOTDs, and in case you're new, that stands for Sign Carvers of the Day. That's where you guys send us pictures of your projects that you freehand carved and we share them with everybody. So this particular episode is for the dates of August 26th through September 17th of 2024. These things are so cool. We hope you guys keep sending these. We're running a little bit behind. You're seeing this sometime before Christmas. So again, we're a couple, 2-3 months behind, but we do these every 2 to 3 weeks, trying to get caught up. So anyway, without further ado, let's get on it. First, we have Ron Bergman. This is one of his first signs, and get this, Ron is 75 years old. This is just so cool. I love it when people that aren't the norm can make beautiful stuff like this. Again, one of his first signs, and Ron, you killed it, man. This looks terrific. I love the framing, I love the artwork, I love everything about it. Great job, Ron, fantastic. Keep it up, buddy. Next, we have Richard Broadbeck. And this is really cool because we're looking at two different versions of one of our stencils that we sell over on the website. And he's got a dark one here with it stained and one that's natural pine. They both look terrific. Again, I think this would be a big seller. Great job, Richard. Neil Tyrus. And this is his first sign made out of red cedar. Looks fantastic. Looks like it's pretty big. I can't really tell, but it looks like it's a pretty big sign. He used the profile bit and the 1/8 inch spiral upcut. And this is for a wedding that he did this for. And I think it looks great. Great layout. Just everything looks really good on here. I love the cedar with the black inset. Great job, Neil. Next, we have Terry Norton. This one is so unique. This is a wooden bumper for a custom pickup. Use the 1.5" fatty font. Very creative. I think it looks terrific, Terry. I'm sure this will get a lot of attention. Terrific job, buddy. Next, we have Scott and Amber Godsha. This was done on a large piece of, it looks like cedar, but I can't tell for sure. You did some burning on there, but the really cool thing is the layout looks terrific. The artwork looks great, and he used our faux live edge process. Looks like a live edge slab to me. Great job, Scott and Amber. I love it. Glen Terry, this is a piece of 10 by 22 cedar. All this stuff on here, all the lettering and all the artwork was done with rapid resizer, inkjet transfer process, and freezer paper. Terrific job, Glenn. I love all the artwork. The layout is good. It's nice and balanced. I love the chamfer at the top and bottom, and then the scalloping on the end. Just very unique. Looks terrific, Glenn. Great job. Next, we have Danny Ingam, and this is carved out of a piece of oak stave from a local winery. This is his third sign ever, and I'm telling you what, I've carved these oak staves before, and they are tough. They are really hard. For only your third sign, Danny, you held a great line on here. Looks terrific. Even the small letters look really nice. Great job, man. Great work. Jeremy Hawthorne. This is another one from Jeremy. Jeremy's been following us for years. Does great looking signs. This is another piece of cedar with our This Is Us stencil, as well as our large layout letters. And Jeremy just has a ton of cedar signs that he's done, and he works with this stuff all the time. Great job, buddy. As always, looks terrific. Next, we have Paul Pickford. This is really cool. It's made from an old drop leaf table, basically 4 foot by 4 foot. Used a carbon paper transfer process, profile bit, and the 90-degree. I absolutely love this. I love the design. What a cool sign. Great job, Paul. Keep it up, buddy. Next, we have Herbert Snoots, very first sign. This one you did a great job on, Herbert. Looks like it's a piece of 1.5 inch. Looks like it might be poplar, but I can't tell for sure. Great artwork on here, holding some really good lines for your very first sign. You killed it, man. Good job. Hope you're having fun. Next, we have Bobby Maxwell, very first sign. This is a rock guard for the front window of his camper. He hand drew it, and then carved it and hand painted it. Oh man, for your very first sign, it looks like it's pretty good size. I love the silhouette. I love the black and white. I love everything about it. For your very first sign, Bobby, you really did a great job, buddy. Hope you're having fun. Tim Foreman, very first sign with lettering. I love the artwork on here. These vertical signs, these fall and seasonal signs that are vertical, big sellers. Great job on this, Tim, especially for your first sign. I think you could probably sell a lot of these. Great work. Next we have CJ. CJ sent in a lot of sign carvers of the day entries, and this one is just as good as any of the others, if not better. Used the profile bit on a piece of pine, rounded the corners, nice scallop edging all the way around. The artwork's great. Great job as always, CJ. I love it, buddy. Brian Hacken, very first sign. Now this one is really cool. He did a glue up, an edge glue up out of pieces from an old cable spool. I love the way it looks. It's got a kind of a cutting board type of glue up here, and man, for your very first sign, really cool artwork, great lines on the small letters. Just love everything about it. It couldn't be easy to hold a line when you've got that kind of board. Terrific job, Brian. Man, I'm sure you could do really well on these kind of signs. Great work, buddy. David Yeager, this one is 2 cedar pickets edge glued. Used the 60, the 90, the profile, and I love the color. I love everything about it. This one, again, I think is one of those that could be a big seller. I love the design. Great job. Very cool. Lex Scott made this for his son, who is a Clemson alumni. Great job on the logo. You're holding really good lines. Those are really straight letters. Man, you are doing really good work, Lex. I hope you're enjoying it, man. This one looks like it could be really popular. George Miller, this is one of his first signs. This is a growth chart for his grandson. This one is really cool. It looks like it's done on a piece of pine. I can't tell for sure, but you did some burning on there, some Christmas trees. The Christmas season is here, guys. These kinds of things I think would sell really well. Great job, George. I hope you're enjoying it, buddy. I'm sure your grandson and everybody is gonna love it. Next we have Matt Thacker, very first sign. So Matt did this one for his wife. She's a psychologist. This is gonna go in her office. Great job on the color, the layout. You're holding a really good line. This one, again, I think would be really popular. You're probably going to get a lot of requests off this one if people see it. Great job, Matt. I love it, especially for your first sign. Wow. This one's really cool. Mark Trojan. This is one of his first signs. I can't tell what size it is, but it's pretty big. And this one, obviously, well, he sent in long before the election. I'm sure this one probably got Trump a lot of votes. Great job, Mark. I love it. Keep it up, buddy. Hope you're having fun. Last but not least, Gary Harding. This one is absolutely one of my favorites. I love the design. It looks terrific. The lettering looks good. I love the mix of color. I love the artwork that you got on here, and more than anything, I love the theme. Terrific job, Gary. I love it. There you go, guys. That is another group of sign carvers of the day. So we do these every 2, 3, 4 weeks. We're trying to get caught up, but please keep sending us this stuff. If you are sending, remember I can only post one per person every 30 days because we get so many in. We sure appreciate it. Don't forget, Christmas is coming. Head over to the website for supplies, and we've got gift certificates. You can always do that. We sure appreciate it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for all of the support. Have a Merry Christmas. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.